Top 3 side hustles for 2025. Earn extra money in the USA. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just want a little extra freedom in your budget, this is your moment. Because in 2025, earning more money on the side has never been easier, but not all side hustles are worth your time. That's why today, you're getting the top 3 side hustles that actually work this year, whether you're looking for flexibility, fast cash, or long-term growth. And trust me, number 1 might surprise you. Let's get straight into it. Number 3. Renting out your car with peer-to-peer apps. Have a car you're not using every day? That's a goldmine just sitting there. Platforms like Turo and GetAround have exploded in 2025. With car prices still sky high, more people are turning to short-term rentals instead of buying, and that's where you come in. You can make anywhere from $500 to over $1,000 a month, depending on your location and how often your car's available. It's passive income at its best. No meetings, no sales calls, just list, approve, and let your car work for you. Bonus tip, some people are even buying second cars just to rent them out. It's becoming a legit micro-business model. Number 2. Selling digital products with AI tools. Here's the game changer in 2025. You don't need to be a designer or a tech genius to sell online anymore. With tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and AI design generators, you can create digital products in a weekend. Think planners, resume templates, Instagram bundles, ebooks, you name it. Once you upload them to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, they can sell while you sleep. What's the catch? You need to understand what people are actually searching for. Niches like mental wellness, productivity, and online business are huge right now. Combine that demand with automation and you've got a side hustle that scales with zero inventory. And yes, it's 100% online, no shipping, no customer service headaches, just smart systems doing the work. Number 1. Remote notary services. This one's flying under the radar but not for long. Becoming a remote online notary has become one of the fastest growing high-demand side gigs in the US. You only need a basic certification in your state, and in some cases, you can start in just a few weeks. What makes it powerful? You can notarize documents from home, on your schedule, and earn $25 to $75 per appointment. Some full-time notaries are pulling in over $5,000 a month, but even part-timers make solid cash. And since everything from real estate to legal forms now happens online, the demand is exploding. If you're looking for a professional, legit, high-trust side hustle with long-term potential, this is it. Now it's your turn. Which of these side hustles are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and if this video gave you real ideas to start earning more in 2025, don't forget to hit like. It helps push this info to more people like you.